Hello, this is the Lutterloh Pattern Making System. It comes in a practical binder with 280 different styles. This complete kit is the 2021 edition and comes with everything you need to have beautiful made-to-measure patterns. Comes here the cardboard ruler. And here you have the best pattern. That is the great first pattern to practice the system and learn how to personalize the fit to your figure. You use it on YouTube about how the system works, taking only 2 measurements. You have the toolkit. Here you have the special metric tape with the scale. This one has a lifetime guarantee, so if it is broken or something, we can replace it. You have from 50 centimeters for a baby, 1 year old, up to 140 centimeters, 55 inches for XL sizes already. We have also a special kit from XXL sizes that you can find it in our website. Here is where you mark bust or hip measurement. And so at the beginning you have all the tools. At the beginning you have all the details about the system, all the instruction, how to take bust and hip measurement, how to tape your little pattern in the paper. You go to your bust or hip measurement and you go to the center cross. Now you mark all the dots and you join them later on. All the explanation detail, you mark your fabric and you need to add the seam allowance and the hems. You all don't forget to add the seam allowance, and you can fit the paper before cutting the fabric in your pattern paper. And here all the explanation about the mathematical formula, about the proportion of the human body, the fabric you need for each model, each style, and the fashion supplement quarterly updated, a special edition, XXL edition, on all detailed explanation. And here you have the symbol page. This is really important. You can have it near to you. All the indications in the patterns, there are not a lot, but there are so important. The black figure, especially for patterns for full figure, and a white figure for slim figure. The knitting icon for stretch fabric or knitted fabric to be knitted, maternity wear, and when you have 2 colors of fabrics, and all the details in the pattern, on the pattern. And we have also a little part for how to sew, some hints. So you have how to sew your bottoms, your bottom holes, how to cloth cover your buttons, and how to put your pockets, some details, how to put in the sleeve, the collar, how to sew some little parts for the tailor garment, the sleeves and the collars, step by step, and how to knit on your made-to-measure patterns. You can measure and knit based in your pattern to your measure. Finally, how to put all the pieces in the strain of the grain And we have quarterly supplements that comes with new fashion. So in your kit you have 280 different styles that corresponds to seven supplements. So you know which supplement you have in this on the side. So you have here the 310, for example. This is the edition 2021, and comes with the supplements 305 to 311. And you have here in the lower part the number of the pattern, the fabric you need. These symbols are all in the symbol page. For example, seed means the pants, so you need 135 centimeters from a fabric 150 centimeters. And for the top, and in the back part you have all the patterns for the pants, for the sleeves, different kind of colors, and all kind of styles. So you have here 280 different styles, and each one you can work to your exactly measurement professional. You have beautiful professional patterns. For example, this one is a full figure pattern that comes with more ease, so it's favorable to the full figure. And well, this is the best part, the patterns. So you have pants, these pants, for example, in stretch fabric. They are so trendy. A beautiful top. There is so simple. And in the patterns, you have little letters that means the steps to sew. For example, A with A, B with B, C with C. I'm going to show you something with less pieces. And you have jackets, skirts, pants. For example, this little skirt. Always you skirt is beautiful, simple skirt. You sew A with A. Of course, you prepare each piece sewing the little dart. Here you have the zipper, about 20 centimeters, and all the indications on each pattern. In the edition, this new edition comes just beautiful. These little blouses, and you can take all different parts, the neckline, the combine the sleeve from one part to another. This one especially for slim figure, going to be more adjusted, and for work, for home, a beautiful tops, blouses. Now for spring, well, we are ready to make beautiful projects for men, basics, the shirt, the t-shirt, the jeans in stretch fabric, everything in stretch fabric. And well, we can go on, and for example here we are in the supplement 306 that comes in this edition, and later on you can add more patterns, but as you see you have a lot, of course, sport wear and a tunic, beautiful tunic for work, for home. This is beautiful sleeve, volant, pants and tops, and beautiful style. Of course, the princess style. This little blouse, you can do it easily, fitted to your measure. The advantage of this system is that you work only with two measurements, bust and hips. And each pattern works for all the measure. Here we have a 307, for example. It comes for winter, for spring, summer garments, underwear. Comes just beautiful. Of course, we for kids we have beautiful pattern for kids, little pajama, and you can use it for sport wear. It's okay. So skirt, the raglan sleeve, a little top, beautiful. So each style with different fabrics can make a beautiful projects. You have a lot here. Jeans, blouses, jackets to have fun. Of course, if you are a beginner, you can start with something easy, like a top, a t-shirt, a skirt, and of course you can learn easily by project. Of course, this system is focused to have a beautiful pattern, and the sewing part you can find, of course, videos and learn from your local store courses. Take courses and ask in your fabric store about how to, which fabric is the better. And you prefer for each style. All kind of recommendations. Dresses, beautiful dresses. This one, for example, for already for spring. So we have here 280 different styles. Of course, as you see, it comes a lot of projects. So I invite you to join the Lutterloh fans team to have a beautiful patterns for all your family, all your projects, working exactly to your measure. So the only thing you need is a paper and your two measurement to work with the system easily at home. So comes really complete, and for the comes chuk for kids, for work, for winter, formal wear, beautiful dresses, skirts and blouses. Just lovely projects. So only to have fun. And of course comes the complete package, comes with the rulers to join the dots, and some vintage styles, and for kids. And the final comes with a lot of kids, and for men, for all the family. Comes really beautiful and complete. And the rulers come in their little bag. Comes how to join the dot in each case, how to use the rulers to join the dots, which part is recommended for each pattern. So for example, for the crotch, the leg, the hip area, for skirt and everything. And you have the two rulers, designer and Tailor ruler. Comes in acrylic and it's just beautiful how they made, and really resistant, and you can go everywhere with them. And it comes in centimeters. Here, well, the bottom holes, and for the crotch area for kids, for small sizes usually, and the regular one. Straight line. You have in our website all this material